Hey, I am Brian Costanza. I'm a creative technologist and an engineer, and these days a lot of my work is focused on working with artists to wrangle technology for them to help bring their visions to life using technology. And today I'm working on this class with Sarah, my friend and business partner.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sarah Parsons, and I'm an educator and education specialist, as well as a creative designer and maker.
Great. And yeah, together we started CreateTech, which is a creative technologies education company. And what we do is through various workshops and programs, we are trying to bridge this gap we saw between creatives and the technology that they want to use for their projects. And well, and then that's it. That's why we're here.
Yeah, so as Brian said, we started this company because we really wanted to bring programming and the arts and crafting and lights to different people's projects without having to ask them to afford some sort of big degree program. So making it more accessible to those who want to learn this material.
Great. And today we're going to make this hat. If you don't know where to start or don't know what you'll need, don't worry about it. We're going to take care of all of it. We'll tell you what you need to get and how to put it all together 100%. We've got you.
Yeah, if you've never done any of this before, this class is for you.
Awesome. Let's do it.